Apart from the aesthetics that it provides, people buy iPhones due to its efficiency. An important aspect of the iPhone's popularity is how effectively it helps the user at minimal effort. This customization can quite easily be done in your iPhone through the Shortcuts app. Shortcuts app is available on iOS, iPadOS, macOS and watchOS operating systems. A shortcut allows you to run functions just by pushing a button or a voice command. This way you can completely eradicate doing functions manually. Primarily, there are two methods of getting shortcuts on your iPhone. Let's see in detail how you can use the Shortcuts app in your iPhone. iPhone Shortcuts app usage. Downloading shortcuts. For this method to work, the first step is opening the Shortcuts app. Once you open it, you have to move to the Gallery section and tap it. Once Gallery is tapped, you can actually download the shortcuts made by other people. These shortcuts are made available to the public by the people. Other than that, Apple itself has created a few shortcuts. You can download them too. Once the shortcuts are downloaded, you can use them either by push buttons or integrate them with Siri and assign a command. Once the command is used, it will perform all the tasks associated with it. For example, if you want your home address, all you have to say, "Hey Siri, my home address." It will provide you with your address, your location, and the map of the fastest route to reaching your home. Creating shortcuts from scratch. This method is comparatively more complicated. However, once you're done with this, your functioning will be much easier. Once the app is opened, click on the plus sign on the top right corner of the page. After the plus sign is clicked, a page will get opened. On the top of the page, there is a shortcut name section on the top. You can assign a name to your shortcut. For example, if you want to FaceTime someone, you can name it FaceTime followed by the person's name. Beneath that, there is an Add Action tab. Click on the tab and it will open a window. Once you click it, you will begin to create an actual shortcut. The window has two headers called Categories and Apps. You can click on App and select the app, the function of which you want to carry out. Once this is done, choose the Add to Home Screen icon on the bottom right. Once that is clicked, a page will be opened. It would ask you to add a photo and you can add one if you wish to. After this, click Add on the top right corner. Your shortcut will appear on the screen. You can use it by just a click. If you click the Categories header, there are predetermined categories which can perform desired functions upon selection. For example, if you click Media, it will give you all the options regarding the media on your phone. You can select that option and let it perform the function in just one click henceforth. By using Shortcuts app effectively, you can add as many shortcuts as you want on your iPhone. This way you can have a smarter and much faster way of carrying out your life.